It's the finale episode! Welcome back to the workshop. Halloween, the only time of the year where it is socially acceptable to look like this. Today we have our finale for Season 2. 30 episodes in, 39 projects completed for the whole season after we get these two done. First project is the haunted house. We've talked about that over the last few weeks. It's a planned project that I've had for the last couple months. The second project is where we're going to take an old moon painting of mine from a few years ago and we're going to transform it into something even better. That being said, let's go hunt for food. Alright, for my finale project, I'm going to be making the haunted house. I'm going to start off by painting my haunted house and then I'm going to start to add these materials. I have the haunted house itself, this reflective material which is going to be on my windows, action figurines, and sheet moss. And for my final project, I am going to take this original painting of mine from a few years ago, which I do not like anymore. I want to transform it into something else. So I want to keep it in the space theme, but I want to add a mixed media element to this to make it more interesting. I am not going to tell you the materials I'm going to use for this project. All will be revealed at the end of this. Creation round is completed. This haunted house piece, it tells two stories. One is the house itself, which I painted and added mixed media elements to it. It looks like an innocent house, innocent American house. And then you look to the side of the canvas and you'll see that same house in miniature, but it's surrounded by monsters. So it kind of is inspired by this idea that the places that you walk into, what is it like in a parallel universe? Second project, in comparison to how it looked originally compared to how it looks now, I think we did a good job updating it and adding a surprise element to this. So it looks like a moon from far away. You come up close, look to the side, and there's an actual battle scene going on this moon. And season 2 is officially over. I want to thank all of you for joining me on this journey. I know 2020 was a rough year across the board for all of us. I hope this show, more than anything, added a little bit of light to your life. I will be back for season 3. I'm going to take a few months off. I'm going to be practicing my art projects, so it will never just be me not posting anything for a few months. I'm still going to be making art projects. The season itself won't begin until next February in 2021. I need to get through peak season at UPS, and then I'm in the clear to start making more. Thank you all. Cannot wait to see you for season 3. Have a good rest of the year.